Welcome to another episode of Cooking with NMC. My name is Samantha DeToy and I'm a dietitian. In this episode, we are reinventing nachos with a healthier twist. The main ingredients for this recipe are black beans and sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants, supporting gut health and boosting immunity. Black beans are rich in fiber and protein, which promote fullness after a meal and help to stabilize your blood sugar levels. Fresh coriander, red onion, avocado, and jalapeños add vibrant flavors and nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. Indulge in these sweet potato and black bean nachos, nourishing your body with wholesome ingredients. Enjoy.